Hey there. Drowning in high-interest student loan payments? Refinancing your student loans with SoFi could lower your rate, simplify your bills, and save you thousands over time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to get started. Head to SoFi.com and click on Student Loan Refinancing. You'll start by checking your pre-qualified rates, which uses a soft credit pull and won't affect your score. You'll enter info about your current loans, income, and education. If you like the rate offered, you can proceed with the full application, which will require documents like pay stubs, loan statements, and a degree verification. SoFi will then pay off your old loans and set you up with a new, single loan at your new rate. My crucial pro tip? Don't refinance federal loans without careful thought. If you refinance federal student loans with a private lender like SoFi, you lose access to federal benefits like income-driven repayment plans, forbearance, and potential forgiveness programs. Make sure the savings outweigh the loss of flexibility. That's how you take control of your student debt and potentially save a significant amount of money. Are you considering refinancing to lower your rate, shorten your term, or both? Let me know in the comments. If debt-saving strategies help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.